Also short.
Very good. Bernard, come on.
Non-tension. Let me. Everything called one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are closest to the sun. Jupiter is size.
Rivan, mute yourself, ma.
Time.
Uranus.
Venus is moon.
Or so far,
Also small.
Justin.
Nine.
Nine. Very good, Farnas. Well done. Okay, next is Kartikeyan. Okay, Kavyani, come on, sing.
Okay, ma'am. 8 planets around the sun. Let me call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closer to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes with bringing light. Uranus and Neptune are so far by just in line.
Very good, Kavyani. Next is Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan,
It's ma'am.
come on, sing.
8 planets on the sun, then they call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest to the sun. Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Earth begin there. Saturn considering the land. Uranus and Neptune so far, but just in line.
Very good. Well done. Nightek. Nightek.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Nightek.
8 planets around the sun. Let me call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes in lines. Uranus and Neptune are so far, but just in line.
Very good. Nukshita. Nukshita. Come on, pick any one from Miss Polly, solar system or rainbow. Like the solar system, rhyme only, yeah. Okay. 8 planets around the sun.
Venus, Earth, and Mars. Earth and Mars.
Are the closest to the sun.
Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes in line.
Uranus.
So far,
Uranus and Neptune. What happened, Nukshita? Uranus and Neptune are so far, but just in line. Okay, very good, Nukshita. This is Pranita. Pranita. Rohita.
sorry. Sorry, yes, ma'am.
Pranita, Rohita, who is going to sing?
Sorry. சொல்லு 8 planets சொல்லு
8 planets around the sun.
சொல்லு அன்பத் சொல்லு
Let me call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
Are they?
Are the
சொல்லு அங்க புக்
Are
பார்த்து
they
சொல்லு
closest to the sun?
closest to the sun.
Jupiter.
Jupiter is big in size.
அடுத்தது
Saturn.
Saturn comes with
Rings in line.
rings in line.
Uranus and Neptune
Uranus and Neptune
are so far,
are so far,
but just in line.
but just in line.
Very good, Rohita. Fast, Rohita. Come on.
Eight planets around the sun. Let me call number one next one. Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Mars are close to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes with rings and line. Venus and Neptune are so far.
But
Just in time.
very good, Rohita. Ritvik.
Thank you.
Ritvik. Satvika.
ரித்விக் மேம்
Ritvik is there, Ritvik, come on, sing.
8 planets
8 planets.
Planets are let me count them one by one.
Mercury
Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Mars, all the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes with rings and line. Uranus and Neptune are so far, but just in line.
Very good. Satvika. Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Any rhyme. Rainbow, solar system, all this poly. Any rhyme you can say.
8 planets on the sun. Let me check them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes in line. Neptune are so far, but just in line.
Very good, Satvika. Siddharth. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
8 planets. 8 planets around the sun. Let me count it one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes in ring and line. Uranus, Neptune so far.
Uranus and Neptune.
Uranus and Neptune.
Uranus and Neptune so far, just in line.
Very Uranus.
Uranus.
This is Uranus. Okay. Very good,
Neptune,
Siddharth. Tarnika. Okay. Tarnika.
Planets around the sun. Let me count them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes with rings and line. Uranus and Neptune are so far, but just in line.
Very good, Vivan. Vivan.
Oh, the rainbow is so far away. It is an indigo of the color blue. Green and yellow comes next, and an orange finally is red, and a rainbow is red.
Very good, Vivan. Vidyut. Vidyut. Vidyut.
8 planets and around the sun. Let you count them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Mars
Are the
are
closest.
closest to the sun.
Mm.
Jupiter is big in size.
Saturn comes with.
Saturn comes with ring and line.
Uranus. Venus and Neptune are so far, but just in line. Vishank. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, sing anyone rhyme fast.
Planet around the sun,
Hmm.
around the sun.
Let me count them one. Hmm.
Mercury, Venus, Mars,
Hmm. Hmm.
after
To
to
the
the
sun.
sun.
Hmm.
Jupiter is chicken inside.
Hmm. Saturn comes
Saturn
with
ring.
rings in. Saturn comes with rings in line. Uranus and Neptune are so far,
Also far
but just in line.
was just in line.
Very good, Zeddy. Okay, children, number names recap. We'll see. Who is going to read this? Who is going to read the number name? Ritila, come on, read the number name, Maritila. Ritila, Ritila,
Read
the
பண்ணு.
number name.
சொல்லு. அங்க பாரு.
O.
சொல்லு.
Hmm.
N
Hmm.
E
Hmm. Next.
E
Hmm.
W
Hmm.
O
Hmm.
அடுத்தது. காரணம் சொல்லு.
2.
இது சொல்லு.
2
Hmm.
E
Hmm. T H
E N
R E E.
R E E
3.
அது சொல்லு.
F
F O
U R
R.
4.
4
Hmm. F I
சொல்லு.
F I
T
இது
E
T U
5.
5
Very good. Okay, next is Lakshana. Lakshana,
Ma
read from 6 ma. SIX 6.
சொல்லு. Yes.
yes
Hmm.
I
I
Hmm.
X. இங்க X.
நீங்க சொல்லாதீங்க லக்ஷ்மணா அம்மா லெட்டர் சே அவளே சொல்லட்டும்.
சொல்லுங்க.
SIX
yes I
அந்த லெட்டர் சொல்லு. இந்த தோக்கு பாரு.
come on லக்ஷ்மணா ஃபாஸ்டா படிங்க.
அங்க பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க.
நானும் மேடம் இங்க லட்சணம்
அங்க மேம் கிட்ட சொல்லு. இந்த பாக்ஸ் போட்டுருக்காங்களா அந்த லெட்டர் பார்த்து சொல்லு என்னன்னு கேட்டேன்.
SIX லக்ஷ்மணா repeat after mom.
I
X
yeah
6
அங்க பார்த்து சொல்லு மேம்.
6
6ன்னு சொல்ல மேம் சொல்றாங்க.
SE
ம்.
yes E
ம்.
EEN
E E N
7.
சொல்லுங்க.
Properly first.
ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு. அடிச்சு
Screen.
மேம் பார்த்து சொல்லு.
Screen ma Lakshana. EI
E I
GHT
T X E
8.
சொல்லு.
8.
மேம் சொல்றது திருப்பி சொல்லு பாப்பா.
E
ம்.
8.
8 சொல்லு.
A
Very good. Devkrish, come on read this number name ma.
ஏன் மேம் சொல்றது திருப்பி சொல்ல மாட்டேற நீ? அரைஞ்சு போயிடும்.
N9 GI Hmm.
E-E-L-L.
Very good, ma. Next is Satvika. Read the spelling for 11. Satvika. 11. Read two letters, children. Don't read E L. Then you will not remember the spelling. Read two letters. E L E V E N. 11. Like that you have to read. Okay? Come on, read, ma, Satvika. E N. 11. Very good. Next is Janavi. Read the number name 12. 12.
E-W.
Hmm. Hmm.
E-E.
Hmm.
12.
Very good, Janavi. Next, Parnas 13.
Thank you. T-H-I-R-T-E-N.
H. Wait, my Parnas, wait.
13.
Like that, you should not read Parnas, okay? Thirteen. 13. Two letters, you have to mix it up and read, okay? Don't read single letters, okay? Very good, ma, Parnas. Next is Nightek. Nightek.
F-O-U-R-T-E-N.
What did I tell just now? What did I
14.
tell just now, Nightek? You didn't hear what I said? How did I tell you to read? F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. Not F-O-U-R. No, not like that. Two letters. Read one more time.
F-O.
F-O-U-R-T-E-N.
Hmm.
14.
Very good. Vidyut, 15. Vidyut. Others can also read, but don't unmute yourself, children. Vidyut, read. F-I-F.
F-I-F.
T-E-E-N.
E-E-N.
15. Okay, now today's worksheet is number 147, empty, children. Take it fast. $147 empty. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. Here you have first, you have four spelling here, and teen. T-E-E-N is teen. Okay, 14. 14. 14. F-O-U-R 4. T-E-E-N teen. 14. Write today's date. Today's date is 2-3-2121. Parents, can you please focus the camera on what your child is writing? I just wanted to see how they are writing. Yeah, thank you. Pranita, take your book and write, ma.
higher, mute பண்ணு.
Write
Mute
today's
பண்ணு.
date first. I can see many of you started writing 14, but did you write today's date? Siddha, did you write the date, ma?
எழுது டேட் எழுது.
Did you write the date? First, write today's date. 2-3-2121. Then only you should start writing. Children forgot to take attendance. Just tell me here I am. Okay, Darshika. Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Devkrish,
Yes, ma'am.
Danvin, Dikshan, Parnas,
Yes, ma'am.
Ashini, Janavi, Janavi. Okay, marking you Janavi. Karthikeyan,
Yeah, ma'am.
Kavyani,
Karayavila, ma'am.
Nitek, Nitek, Nukshita, Nukshita.
Mute yes. Yeah, yes, ma'am, Manu.
Yes, ma'am. Pranita, Pranita,
Yes, ma'am.
Rohita,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik,
Yes, ma'am.
Nitila,
Here I am, ma'am.
Satvika,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth,
இதை சொல் அட்னே சொல்லு
Siddharth,
இதை அட்னே சொல்லு
Sarnika,
Here I am, ma'am.
Tilakar, Ishan,
13
Ishan.
next
Ishan.
start பண்ணு
Ishan, you are present. I called you for rhymes. You didn't listen. Vivan,
எதுக்கு அவ்வளோ பெருசு
Vivan,
எரேசர் காணும் சரி போடு
Vidyut,
next ஏன் நான் எடுத்து போறேன்
Vidyut, Vidyut,
எஸ்லாம் பாரு
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Okay. Lakshana,
ड्राइंग लक्षणा मैम को बराबर है
Here I am, ma'am.
okay, very good. Come on, start writing the worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished? FOUR14. Finished? Okay. Now the next worksheet is 147 empty. You will have this. Before number and after number you have to write that sheet. Are you all having that?
यस मैम
Yes, okay, very good. Write today's date and be ready.
Ma'am, wait a bit.
147 empty. The next page. After 14, you will have one worksheet, that page. First number, what is written? Can anyone read that number? What is the first number?
Ma'am.
Yes? 2. Okay, before doing that, what you are going to write is, you will have to in that you are going to write 5151, comma 5252, 5353, 5454, 5555. You will have some space next to it, right? Near that box. In that, like this itself, you write. Don't write like this. 5151, 5252. Don't write like this. Like this itself, you write in a landscape way. Yes? Finish writing 51 to 55. Write little bit small numbers, children. Big if you write, that space will not be enough. Vishank, what are you doing, Vishank? What are you doing, Vishank? Okay, now circle the number 52. What is given in the box? 52. Circle the number 52. Now we are going to find the before number. Before means it will come before that number. So what is before that number? Draw an arrow. What number is it? What number is it, children? Very good. 5, 1, 51. Write it in that box. 5, 1, 51. And then what comes after 52 is this number. What number is that? What number is that?
53.
Very good. 53. You are going to write that number in the next box.
I did 5 and 51.
What? Now what?
I did 5 and 51.
You have 3 boxes. And in that box, one number is given 52. So now the before number here you have seen that is 5, 1, 7. Okay. Next number is 1, 52, 53. Like this, the answer should be. Okay.
78, 78 அப்புறம்
76.
Next number is
8 க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்
8.
Tanika. Mute yourself.
9.
மியூட் பண்ணு
4, 5, 45. Okay, now write from 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
Okay.
And circle the number which is in the box.
ini Ariel after either before either before India.
Okay, 45 is inside the box given already. Yes, now we are going to find out the before number. Before number na and the number ku munnadi irukum before. Okay, so before number is this one. What is before 45? 45 ku munnadi enna number irukku? What number is there before 45? 44. So now what number we have here? 44, 45, and what will be the next number? Very good, ma. Devkrish. 46. Nightek.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
number 46.
Okay, ma'am.
Rota.
Okay.
Now the third sum you have 7, 8, 78. From 75 you are going to write 7, 5, 75, 7, 6, 76, 7, 7, 77, 7, 8, 78, 7, 9, 77. Finish and I take. And what is given in the box? 7, 8, 78. Correct. Now we are going to find out the before number. Circle the number 78. And what comes before it? This number. Go backwards. Okay. What number is before 78? What number is before 78, children? Look at the screen. Very good, Nikita. 7, 77. 7, 7, 77. Now read the numbers. 7, 7, 77. 7, 8, 78. What will be the next number? What will come? 77, 78. No one knows that. Yeah, 7, 9, 79. Who said the answer? Very good, Laita. 7, 9, 79. Good. Next is 18. 18 also from 15 you are going to write 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Now what is given in the box is number 18. Circle number 18. We are going to find out what comes before. Go backwards one number. You can see the number here. What is that, Tarnika? What number comes before 18?
17.
1,
17.
17. Now find out the next number also. 17, 18.
19.
Very
19.
good. This will be very easy to find out the after
19.
number. But before number, be careful to find out. You have to come one step back. Okay, then only you can find the before number. The next sum is 32. For that, you are going to write from 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. The number given in the box is 32. 32. Circle the number 32. And before number one step back, you are going to go. What number is this? Very good. 3, 1, 31. Find the next number also. 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. Very good, David. 3, 3, 33. Good. And the last sum is 65. Sixty-one, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. What comes before 65? Karthikeyan, answer Karthikeyan. What comes before 65?
Baby Balito.
Karthikeyan. Hmm? You can see here I have drawn an arrow, right? What number is it? Ah, 6, 4, 64, 6, 5, 65. Next, what will come? Very good. 6, 6, 66. That's it. After number is very easy to find out, children, but before number, be careful to find it out. Finished?
அதுக்கு ஒரு தனி வாட்டி பட்டி வைக்கணுமா? அதான் அப்ப பெல்லு கட்
Finished, children. Next 148 empty.
வந்து கட் பண்ணா அந்த ஒரு வேலை முடியும்ல, அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க பட்டி வைக்கிறது வைக்கலாம்ல.
Vishan's dad, you can mute yourself. Worksheet number is 148 empty. You will have number name 15 here. FIF, fifth. TEEN, teen, 15. FIF. Very good, Vivan's mom. Like that only you should close. Otherwise, they will not write the date. Correct, huh? Children, write the date, children. Don't forget that. That is the first step. You should never forget to write the date. Don't laugh, Vivan. Right. Write the date 2-3-2121. Then you write 15. FIF TEEN 15. Why, Vishank, you are turning back? What, ma? What? I'm telling you to write this and you are writing some other sheet. Why?
Mom is in call, ma'am. He is not even listening to me.
Okay. No one is there to guide him. Okay, no issue. Do it. Do it. 15. Children, spell and write. No one is spelling it out. 15. Rohita, spell and write. Let me hear. Unmute yourself.
చదువుతాను
F F T E E R
ఏఎన్
N
And
15.
like that, spell and write. Pranita, spell and write.
சொல்லு
I
F T E E N 15.
Very good. Lakshana, spell and write. Very good, Matarnika, finished good. Lakshana, spell and write.
மேம் 65 66 43.
இப்பதான் நம்பர் எழுதுறீங்களா?
அது லாஸ்ட் மேம் முடிக்க போறாங்க.
15 இன்னும் எழுதலீங்களா?
இல்ல மேம் இப்ப எழுதுறேன். முடிச்சிரு அவ்வளவுதான் முடிஞ்சிச்சு மேம்.
இல்ல எழுதுங்க, மெதுவா எழுதுங்க. நான் வேற யாரனா கேட்கிறேன். Finish 15. Now come on, take your math notebook. Those are finished. Take your math notebook. And write from 11 to 15 number name. Take your math notebook, write today's date, take a fresh page. Dev Krish, come on, take your math notebook, ma. Those are writing, keep on writing, no issues. Those are finished. You can take your math notebook and write the number name from 11 to 15 only. ELEVEN, 11. Here you have.
Mama, one you.
ELEVEN, 11. TWELVE, 12.
சொல்லிட்டே பண்ணு.
THIRTEN, 13.
சொல்லு பாப்பா.
FOURTEN, 14. FIFTEEN, 15.
What is this? F5F.
Right, Manukshita? Right.
N
15.
15.
Very good, Lakshana. Mute yourself. Good. Right, Lakshana.
Ma'am, JD.
Very good, ready? I've written, huh? Finish writing, Zeddy.
TV. Yes.
Still not feeling well, Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Not okay, va?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write slowly, okay?
Okay.
Take your math notebook and write. Those who have finished your worksheet, take your math notebook and write. Write today's date and write the number names. We have already written till 10. Next till 15 you are going to write. ELEVEN 11. TWELVE 12. THIRTEEN 13. FOURTEEN 14. FIFTEEN 15.
Mom, finish, Mom.
Wrote in the notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mom.
Very good, Mr. Well done. Take your English notebook and be ready, ma. Heading is rearrange the words.
Mom, finish.
Yeah, very good, ma. Who's that? Can't see your face. Nightik, very good, Nightik. Take your English notebook and be ready, children. Darshika. Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma, homework. Not written till 100? Rota.
Yeah.
But I've seen only till 50.
Ma'am.
Okay, I'll check another time. But yesterday I saw only till 50 was there.
Yes,
I'll check it one. Okay. Written, ma, written in your notebook, 11 to 15.
writing, ma'am.
Okay, right. Nitila, finish,
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Nitila. Take your English notebook. Heading is rearrange the words. Pranita,
Okay,
finish.
ma'am.
Very good, Pranita. Devkrish. Finish,
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Parnaz.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Janavi. Janavi. Kartikeyan, Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Kartikeyan. Kavyani. Kavyani.
Ma'am, she is writing 11 to 15, ma'am.
Notebook,
Going to complete.
Okay, right, right. That's what I just wanted to know. You finish. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish, Amma.
15, ma'am.
Okay, right, right. Rohita, Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Satvika, finish. Rohita.
Rohita not finished, ma'am. She wrote
Right,
14, ma'am.
right, right. Ritvik.
I'm writing 15, ma'am.
Okay. Sarnika, finish ma?
Finished, ma'am.
Vidwan,
Didn't finish, ma'am.
Vidyut.
Ma'am, reading, ma'am.
Very good, Kavyani. Vidyut, finish. Shall we move on to the next exercise? English. Take your English notebook, write today's date. Rearrange the words to make sentences. We are going to do it.
Finish.
Shall I switch on, children? Or you want me to stay? Everyone has finished up? Okay, fine.
Chapter finish, ma'am.
First one.
Why not?
Where are they?
First one. Karthikeyan.
Ma'am.
Rearrange these words. I, okay, very good. I like.
Dara?
I like.
Mummy తెచ్చిస్తావా రా? చూడండి ఫస్ట్ వన్.
I like to. Huh? You're looking at your mama and asking, find out. You yourself find out. I like to. What is the word? Sing. Very good. S-I-N-G. Sing. Karthikeyan's mom, is he finding it out on his own?
Two.
Ing alone is not pronounced. I told to read by adding S, ma'am. So ing.
First
Able to
time
rearrange the
I
word. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kavyani. Kavyani, what will be the next one?
sing. Okay. రెండో చూడు మై ఈస్ చూడు
M-Y. My.
టీ క్యాపిటల్ పెట్టాను అంటే టీ స్టార్టింగ్ దిస్ స్టార్టింగ్ గా రాయాలి చెప్పు ఫస్ట్ ఏం రాయాలి
This. B-A-T. Bat.
ఫస్ట్ ఏం
Rohit,
రాయాలి
mute yourself.
క్యాపిటల్ ఏమన్నా
Rohit, mute yourself.
This is
Come on, Kavyani. My is this bat. What did I tell you?
bad.
This is.
This is
This is.
this
Wait,
is
wait. This over. Next is over. Next.
that
We have 4 words here. This over is over.
Y
M-Y.
M-I
M-Y. My. Very good. Next is. This is my.
this is my
Hmm.
bat.
Bat. Very good, ma Kavyani. Full stop. This is my bat. Very good. Copy it down, children. First and second one. Finish. Parents can write and give them the questions if you want. But answers, let them write on their own.
No, full stop, ma'am.
Huh?
No, full stop.
What, ma?
Full stop, ma'am.
Full stop. I forgot, ma. I'll keep. Thank you, Karthikeyan. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Finish. Only 3 sentences, children. Only 1 more left. If you finish, I'll move on. Okay, next is have I balls 10? Ritvik. Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have 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 I BALLS balls TEN 10. What will be the answer? The sentence always starts with a capital letter. What is the capital letter here? I. Okay, I. Next what will come? HAVE. Ayya. HAVE. What is HAVE? Have. I have. I have balls. I have balls 10. Correct? I have balls 10. Correct? Correct? This one, anyone can say whether it is right or wrong. I have balls 10. Say children with me. Say. I have 10 balls. Okay. TEN 10. BALLS balls. Is it right? I have 10 balls. Correct? Okay, copy it down. Ritvik, right? Ritvik. I have 10 balls. Always playing with his socks. Why are you playing with your socks? Every day I'm noticing you. Huh? You. Chi. Right fast. Naughty.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished?
Finish.
Very good. So let's stop sharing. All of you have written. Parents, I want you to send your child's height and weight in WhatsApp. Okay, check your child's height in centimeters and weight. Okay, and type their name, height and weight and send it in group. Everyone, okay, for noting it down in the milestone.
Okay. Ma'am, couldn't hear you, ma'am.
Height and weight of your child. You have to type the name first. For example, if it is Vidyut, type the name as Vidyut and then height in centimeters. How many centimeters there will be? That centimeters and weight. Height and weight of your child.
Okay, ma'am.
Each and everyone with your name, with the child's name. For noting it down in the milestone.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Everyone should
Okay,
send.
ma'am.
Please don't forget. Everyone, please check the height and weight of your child and send it by this week. Okay? That's it for today. Very good mark. Tarnika, good. Finished, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, well done. Good. Vivan, good. Vivan, your handwriting is improving. Vivan, good. Pranita, good. Nikila, good. Ritvik still writing, Ritvik? Nitik finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Kavyani? Okay. Kavyani? Finish,
Writing, ma'am.
Writing, but nothing is there in front of you. You are saying you are writing,
Writing, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Finish,
Okay.
ma'am.
Very good, ma Satvika. Well done, Satvika. Very good. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for your very good, ma Devkrish. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, everyone. Parents, please don't forget about the height and weight of your child. Height and weight and send it back. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.